Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs. Teaching an old dog new tricks for your business. Imagine you've hired a super smart intern who has read every book, article, and website on the entire internet. This intern is brilliant, knows grammar perfectly, and can talk about almost anything. This is essentially what a large language model, LLM, is, a powerful AI that understands and generates human-like text. But here's the catch. Your business has its own unique products, services, policies, and a specific way of speaking. The internet doesn't know your company's secret sauce. So our super smart intern, LLM, needs some special training for your specific needs. Before any custom training, an LLM is like our old dog. It's already incredibly smart from its initial pre-training. This phase involves feeding it truly massive amounts of text data. Think petabytes. During this time, it learns general knowledge, facts, common sense, grammar, and how language works. As a developer, you can think of this as building a foundational general-purpose AI brain that's good at many things, but not specialized in any single domain. It's like a brilliant, general-purpose software library that can handle almost any text-related task, but without specific domain context. Our pre-trained LLM is a general genius, but it lacks specific context. If you ask it about your internal Project Phoenix or your unique customer return policy, it might invent something, give a generic answer, or simply say it doesn't know. It doesn't understand your company's internal jargon, brand voice, or specific data patterns. For developers, this means if you use a general LLM directly for a business application, its responses might be accurate in a general sense but miss the mark for your users, potentially leading to a poor user experience or incorrect information related to your specific operations. Fine-tuning is the process of taking that already brilliant, pre-trained LLM, old dog, and teaching it new tricks specific to your business. Instead of rereading the entire internet, you give it a smaller, highly focused dataset of your company's own information. This could be your customer support chats, product descriptions, internal documents, or even examples of your brand's unique tone. It's like giving our super smart intern a dedicated onboarding program with all your company's specific manuals and historical data, so they learn your way of doing things. As a developer, your role in fine-tuning involves preparing a custom dataset. This dataset will consist of examples where you provide an input, like a customer query, and the desired output, the correct, branded response. You then feed this dataset to the pre-trained LLM. The LLM then makes small adjustments to its internal knowledge. Think of it as tweaking millions of tiny internal settings or parameters to better match your specific examples. It's not learning from scratch. It's adapting and specializing its existing knowledge, making it an expert in your domain. This process significantly improves its performance on tasks relevant to your business, without needing to train a model from zero. Fine-tuning isn't just a cool tech trick. It delivers tangible business value. 1. Tailored responses. The AI understands your products, services, and policies deeply. 2. Consistent brand voice. It adopts your company's unique tone and style. 3. Improved accuracy. Fewer generic or incorrect answers for your specific domain. 4. Efficiency. For specialized tasks, a fine-tuned model can be more efficient, and sometimes cheaper, to run than a massive, general model. 5. Data security. Conceptual. While not training on sensitive data directly, it allows you to build models that respond in line with internal policies. making it safer for internal use cases. It makes our super smart intern a fully integrated, productive team member who perfectly understands the company culture and knows exactly what to say. Fine-tuning is powerful, but it's not always the first step. Do it when you need high accuracy on domain-specific tasks, a distinct brand voice, or when a general LLM consistently hallucinates or gives incorrect answers for your specific context. Consider alternatives, like prompt engineering, when your task is more general, or you just need the LLM to follow instructions well, rather than learn new facts or styles. Prompt engineering is like giving our intern very clear, detailed instructions for each task, while fine-tuning is like retraining them to be an expert in a specific department. As a developer, choose the right tool for the job based on your project's specific requirements and available data. Your journey into custom AI solutions begins. As a developer, start by identifying a clear problem in your business that an AI could solve. Gather examples of the kind of inputs and desired outputs you'd want from your custom AI. This is your fine-tuning dataset. Many platforms, like OpenAI, Hugging Face, Google Cloud AI, offer tools and APIs to make fine-tuning accessible. Experiment with small datasets, iterate on your models, and watch as you transform a general AI into a powerful, specialized assistant for your business. The future of custom AI is in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.